In this video, I'll show you how to add contacts in Gmail or your Google account. So the first thing we need to do is just head over to an internet browser. I'm going to be using Safari, and from the URL section, you just need to type in contacts.google.com. Now, once you're on this website, you'll be able to see all of the contacts that you currently have in your list. If you want to create a new contact, just click on the plus icon in the bottom right hand side, select create a contact. You can add a profile picture for this particular contact. I'm going to leave this for now, and then just go through the steps by filling out all of the details. Now, make sure to include an email address if you want to be sending emails to this contact, and the same with the phone number as well. If you want to be contacting them via phone, make sure to add this as well. And then a lot of these fields are optional, so you don't actually need to fill them in. So once you're done, just click on save in the top right hand side, and as you can see, we've now added this to our Google contacts. So what we can do here is just click on the email button if you want to email this contact directly, and this is essentially just a quick and easy way to manage all of your contacts. So if you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments below, and I'll see you in the next one.